Have you ever thought about getting a mobile app for your business, but simply have no idea where to start? Chances are you think it's out of your budget, or you may be wondering, do I even need one for my business? Well, with your very own mobile business app, your ability to increase sales and customer loyalty will explode. Let's take a look at a few industry examples and app features and see exactly how. Let's say you own a cafe or coffee shop. With your own app, you can easily share pictures of your menu and most tasty meals. You can easily update and change them at any time. You can have your very own in-app loyalty and coupon cards, where you can reward customers for repeat custom, like buy 3 coffees and get 1 free. The app will track everything for you. Now let's imagine you own a restaurant and you have a daily special on you want customers to know about. Well, that's when it's ideal to use the push-button notification system. In a few simple clicks, you can send a beautiful promotional push notification message to let them know about it directly to their phone. Have social media? No problem. We can add your Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter accounts, which will automatically update for you as new content is added. Maybe you're in the service provider industry like dental, medical, or the law field. Well, with your own app, your clients can easily make appointments with you in seconds. You simply accept the appointment, and your app will even send a reminder text message and email to them. This will reduce the amount of missed appointments and cut down on manual follow-ups needed, as the technology is doing all the hard work for you. What about health industry? If you're a personal trainer, clients can now easily book training sessions with you or a spot in your spin class, all within seconds from within your app. Ever wanted to upload your workout videos and diet plans to a private members area? Well, now you can. Here you could charge clients an extra monthly fee to access your content, or just give it to them as an added perk for being one of your loyal customers. It's never been so easy. The simple fact is, no matter what business you are in, a mobile app can skyrocket customer loyalty, increase repeat business and sales, reduce the amount of time you spend on boring admin day-to-day tasks, and much, much more, making your life so much easier. So why not get in touch today for a free, no-obligation quote?